Lisa's Cooking Show. Welcome to Cooking with Burgers.
Wow!
Today we'll be cooking a nice burger.
And today I need a pee. Ellie, film it quick!
For now, we're going to take them.
She said, I can.
Put it in the chicken curry.
Go!
Hi guys, we're back into the cooking show. Now, I had to start over again with this cooking. So we're going to make a burger.
Kenzie! This sick, you're gonna burn it.
You can see that the burger is already starting to flatten. Now we're going to get some chicken curry. We're going to put some on the This is all part of making the burger. We'll now get some sunflower oil.
This is bad.
It tastes like sunflowers. Even better. Like you always do.
I can't laugh, I need a pee. Excuse me, but we're gonna have to pause. We are back. As you can see, this is our perfect burger. The next step to making a perfect burger is putting it on the plate, like so. I need to get all this stuff out of the way. We're gonna take our cheese. And there you have it, folks. A lovely, lovely burger. Yay!